Here's how we can enable shared drive in Google Drive. So let me show you and guide you through how it works. If you are first time being here on Foxtecc, most definitely subscribe for more and similar tutorials like this one. So you most definitely need the Google Drive app to be downloaded on your iPad. I mean, technically you can do it through web browser, but it's much more comfortable using an app. So you get the app from the App Store and you get inside, and essentially you have to decide which folder you would like to share with other people. So most likely you don't want to share the whole account with somebody, but you would like to set up a drive which is shared, right? So you can tap on the plus button, start a new folder, name it whatever you want, and then once you have that folder ready, just click on the three dots on the right so you get more options about that folder. And either tap on the share icon, which lets you type in an email address, a Gmail account of somebody else, of your friend or somebody you want to share it with, a specific person. So you can set that up. That other person is going to receive an email confirmation, and they're going to have to, confirm it, and they will have access to your particular folder, but nobody else can really get it there. That is a viable option for many situations, but what you can also do is, instead of clicking on share, tap on manage access, and this will allow you to switch the access from restricted to anyone with the link. And anyone with the link will be able to either view, comment, or even edit your folder. So if you need a little bit more extensive or deeper approach, then this would naturally make sense. So you can, for example, upload a couple of different photos into this folder and decided that anyone with the link will be able to view them. Then you copy the link and share it into a group chat or something like that, right? So that is how you can generally do this. I would really love to hear your feedback about that below in the comments. Let me know what you think. If you like this type of videos, subscribe for more so you do not miss them, and I hope to see you later in the next videos as well.